Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the gaming review of the Honor 7A. Now these are the specifications of this phone. Now here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. So guys, first I'll be doing the gaming review. I'll be playing these 6 games, but before I get started, we'll check out the battery percentage, and once the gaming review is done, we can see how much the battery has drained. Now after the gaming review, I'll be doing the heat test where I'll take pictures continuously for 5 minutes and then check the temperature. By the way guys, there are 2 lights on either side and it's a closed room, and I have set the AC to 27 degrees. Now this is the room temperature. Even the room temperature right now is 27 degrees. Now with all that said, I'll start the gaming review. So guys, before we get started, let's check the battery percentage. So this phone right now has 81% of battery. Now I'm going to start the timer and open Asphalt 8. So guys, I've been playing Asphalt 8 for about 10 minutes right now. So let's check the temperature. By the way, gaming experience was pretty good. I don't have any issues with the entire gameplay. So on the front, maximum temperature is 44 degrees and at the bottom it is 42 degrees. On the back it is 43 degrees, 42, and at the bottom it is 39 degrees. So guys, maximum temperature on this phone for 10 minutes of playing Asphalt 8 is 44 degrees. Now the only thing that I didn't like is the display. I wish it had a Full HD Plus resolution. Next I'll play Modern Combat 5. So guys, as you have seen, for some reason I'm not able to open Modern Combat 5. It's just returning to the home screen. So I'll just move on to Warhammer. So guys, that was a quick end for Warhammer. Now let's check the temperature. So on the front it is 43 degrees, that's the maximum temperature. At the bottom it is 39 degrees. On the back it is 43 degrees once again, and at the bottom it is around 39 degrees. Now coming to the gameplay, I don't have any issues with visuals or the lag. There was no lag absolutely, and visuals were pretty good. Now this phone comes with an entry-level processor, but because of the HD Plus resolution, you are able to play all these high-end games without much issues. If this phone had a Full HD Plus resolution screen, you would have seen a lot of lag in all these games. Now next I'll play Shadowgun Legends. So guys, I played the Shadowgun Legends for about 10 minutes, so let's check the temperature. On the front it is 45 degrees, that's 46 degrees, that's the maximum temperature, and at the bottom it is 44 degrees. Now on the back it is 44 degrees, and at the bottom it is 41 degrees. So far 46 is the maximum temperature we have seen, and that's for Shadowgun Legends. There was a slight bit of lag, but the entire game was playable. I didn't have any major issues. Visuals were pretty good. Next I'll be playing PUBG Mobile for about 10 minutes. So guys, as you have seen, there is a slight frame drop and the lag. So guys, that was my end. Now let's check the temperature. I've been playing PUBG for about 10 minutes and gameplay, it is kinda playable, but visuals were pretty bad. So the maximum temperature on the front is 46 degrees and at the bottom it is 41 degrees. On the back, maximum temperature is 44 degrees and at the bottom it is 39 degrees 40. So guys, once again the maximum temperature while gaming is 46 degrees. Now I'll be playing the last game, that's the Riptide GP. So guys, that was the end of the race. Now let's see the temperature. By the way, there was no lag in this particular game. It is definitely playable. Now the maximum temperature on the front is 45 degrees and at the bottom it is 43, 44. On the back it is 44 degrees and at the bottom it is 38 degrees. So guys, on the whole, throughout the gaming review, we have seen a maximum of 46 degrees, and that was while playing PUBG Mobile, Shadowgun Legends and even Warhammer. Now let's check the battery percentage right now. So guys, phone currently has 62% of battery, so the phone used 19% of battery for 45 minutes of gaming, which is pretty decent for a phone that comes with a 3000 mAh battery. Now coming to the heat test, I'll be taking pictures continuously for 5 minutes using the rear and front facing cameras, and then at the end I'll be checking the temperature once again. So I'm just gonna start the timer and start taking pictures. So guys, that's the end of 5 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. On the front it is 49 degrees. I've just seen 49. So there you go, that's 49 degrees. And at the bottom it is 40 degrees. Now on the back it is 46, 47, 48. So on the back maximum temperature is 48 degrees and at the bottom it is 39 degrees. So guys, in the gaming review I've seen a maximum of 46 degrees and for the heat test we have seen a maximum of 49 degrees. Now these are like the worst case scenario, and in normal usage your phone might not get that hot. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video on this phone or any other phone out there, do let me know by commenting below this video and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.